about to wet myself with excitement.
In this course, it's packed generations of bushcraft knowledge. You'll be able to make fires, you'll be able to cook in the wilderness, you'll be able to competently use cutting tools. It is the most comprehensive bushcraft course that exists.
We want to inspire people to go out into the wilderness and ultimately spend more time there and know that their skills will enable them to thrive.
Stephen Hanton, he's an expert tracker, he's a craftsman, he doesn't boast at all, and yet he has a wealth of knowledge.
Ed Stafford has a lot to teach when it comes to the outdoors. Holding the world record for the first person to walk the length of the Amazon, he's done these things for real.
Just think how better placed you are to deal with what nature can throw at you when you have the ability to make fire by rubbing sticks together that you find in the woods around you. It's liberating.
So if I can get plumes of black smoke above the canopy in under 3 minutes, then I think that very much proves this method.
I can start to see it charring.
And then you've got flame. Nicely done.
It's the bamboo fire saw.
We want to let people into the secrets of outdoor cookery.
Literally, if you didn't have any teeth, you could eat that perfectly well.
I want to take our smoking and preservation skills to a whole new level.
I love the fact that we've now got this opportunity to take outdoor cooking to another level. Being able to be competent with cutting tools is one of the key things that will allow you to advance in bushcraft in all areas.
As soon as I pull my knife from my sheath, my feet are rooted to the spot.
For me, there's actually probably nothing more satisfying than making my own knife when I'm in the woods. It's a beautiful straw yellow, and that's the bit that's going to be doing the cutting.
It's absolutely spot on.
That's bomb-proof.
Pull really hard!
Pulling!
Okay, it's going!
That is textbook.
Bushcraft adds richness to people's lives, and the beauty of sharing it with others and igniting that spark, it is magic.
This is a reset, but it's more than just a reset. It's a return to a far more natural version of living.